Hey, welcome back to my vlog about my home renovation here in Yucatan, Mexico. Welcome back to the channel. Expat Rebel Chris here. And we finally decided in the new year to do a couple of renovations inside. If you've been following along with this particular series, at first, when we first moved into our new beach home here in the Yucatan, we did a lot of outdoor stuff. We stuck in a pool, a steam room, a lot of just household things, water pressure system, and items like that. And then we took a break from all the construction, and now we're back at it. We're doing a small project though right now. We are, and I'll show you. This is the living room here, and our TV is normally right here, but we wanted to stick in some shelves. Now they came in today and made all these. This is where this is going to be the TV table, and these are going to be shelves. And we actually didn't think we were going to do this. We were going to buy some shelves in Merida, Yucatan, at Costco, and then we liked some better at Sam's Club. But the price actually was about the same or a little bit more than having our construction people that we used for a lot of the outdoor things that we did to come in and do it themselves and hand do it. So they're going to do concrete. This wall is concrete. These shelves here, and they're going to put a Shikun finish on it, which if you've been following the channel, we love. This is the Shikun finish here. So they're going to put this finish on these shelves here. So it's going to be really nice, permanent shelves in the house here, because we're going to look at them every day. And everything. We bought some shelves for the pantry and the bodega and whatnot. They're just, plastic shelves because we were sticking equipment on it and whatnot. This is the one in the bodega I literally never look at. But here we wanted something nice. So even though we liked some shelves at Sam's Club, really nice wood shelves and whatnot, they were actually a little bit more pricey than getting it done here. So this project, and I'll show you the progress of it, is going to be about $500. And we're looking forward to having that up and running in a couple. This was actually only an hour's worth of work. They're going to come tomorrow and start actually installing the shelves, making it by hand with concrete, and then stick the Shikun finish on at the end, and then it has to dry maybe for a couple of weeks before we can start sticking anything on it. So we have our little temporary setup over here on the other side of the living room for now. And once these shelves up, we're going to be able to install our TV and all our stuff into a more permanent setting. And then we'll have shelves on the sides to put our little knickknacks, things we've collected here in Yucatan, figures and stuff that we liked, so that we could see them every day. So it's a nice little fun project that was a little noisy today for an hour, but that was about it. The rest of it is actually going to not be that noisy. It's when you're chipping away at this concrete, putting these holes in concrete and everything. This is inside the blocks here. That process is extremely loud. I sat down on the palapa over by the beach with headphones on, so I couldn't hear it. But took them very not long to do that, and then they left for the day, and they'll be back tomorrow. So come along and see the progress of this little project that we're doing, and I'll see you next time. If you got any comments to the video, and if you got any comments about this project, put them down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. And if you're interested in a newsletter, go over to expatrebel.com. That is an expat weekly newsletter where we talk about a lot of different things in the community. Come join us over there. See you guys next time. Bye.